In today's video, we find out which way does the water drain on the equator. Hi, my name is Peng. I'm a photographer and I'm a travel addict. If you've been watching the shorts I've posted on YouTube, you'll know that I'm currently traveling in Kenya. Before the trip, I planned out all the places I wanted to visit, but one place I didn't plan on stopping was the equator. It turned out our itinerary took us across the equator several times, and if there's something to see, you bet some enterprising Kenyans have set up shop to tailor to tourists. But unlike a typical tourist attraction selling you junk, this place actually offers something that answered one of my longtime questions, and that is, when you drain water on the equator, which way does the water swirl? I'm recording.
From China?
Hi.
From China?
No, from US.
Oh, from the US. Sorry.
No problem.
So, I want to start with my name. My name is Joseph. I'm going to share an experiment that spoke to you on the range of the equator and the opposite equator. Equator line lies along the range of east-west direction. We have north, the other side is south.
Okay.
The experiment is known as Coriolis Effect. It's covered by one of the Italian scientists known as Coriolis. According to him, he knows that any kind of a falling object falling on the north, it falls down turning clockwise. South of the equator, the falling object falls down turning anti-clockwise. But on the right side east of the equator, the falling object falls down straight without falling at all. To prove that, here are apparatus. That's a bowl with the hole at the center. The water in the jug acts as the falling object. Then I have a mastic to serve as an indicator to clearly see the motion of the water on either side.
Right.
We start by motion is about 10 meters north, 10 meters south. We end up here for the final part of the experiment. You okay?
Yep.
So you please sort of come for the first part of the experiment.
Okay.
So I start the experiment by pouring the water into the bowl, first stopping the water from flowing down. After you give the water a short and settle, then the water drain down. The water is the falling object north of the equator, and here the water drain starts freeing, boiling. But clearly, after the indicator on the surface of the water, this is according to Coriolis, the falling object goes on the north. And might do this clockwise motion differs per distance. That means, further you go to the north, it will be clockwise but more faster. You can even place this on as well.
So this is going
Yeah, it's counter. We're at north, so it's
Clockwise motion.
clockwise. Yes.
And might do this clockwise motion differs per distance. That means, further you go to the north, it will be clockwise but more faster.
Yeah.
Closer to the range of the equator, the slower the motion.
Right.
Also, the cyclone those are the healthcare zones of the equator. They blow with the same clockwise motion, or openly the top of the sea. On the north, it is doing the same way. That's clockwise motion. You okay?
Yep. Yep.
Let's proceed down south. First second part of the experiment.
Okay. Now we go to the south.
Same distance, we do the same. After you give the water a short and settle, then the water drain down and let the indicator too.
Oh, now it's counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise motion this time on the south. Also the flaming plants like the passion fruit and the bees, south of the equator, they glow following the same anti-clockwise motion, and on the north they glow following the clockwise motion. This was shoot magnetic force. On the south, negative, north positive, but on the right side which is at the neutral ground, you find that there is no motion.
No, I don't.
Measuring 2 degrees, altitude 2265 meters above sea level. After you give the water a short time settle, when your water doing done, here the water doing starts straight without not going at all, but clearly. I break the indicator.
Oh, look at that.
No motion, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Then if you try to move on either side.
So right on the equator here.
No motion.
No
And
motion.
thank you very much for your attention.
So there you go. I hope that answered a question you may have never thought of asking. By the way, if you want to do this experiment at the Equator Monument in Quito, Ecuador, it's not going to work because that monument is actually 240 meters south of the equator. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'll have more Kenya content in the near future, so consider subscribing if you don't want to miss those. And I will see you next time.